It's nice when the whole family spends time together. You share a special bond between one another that cannot be recreated with anyone else. Father, mother, sister, brother, you all belong to each other in a special way. Each member of the family needs to rely on each other for love, companionship, advice, support, and sometimes just to listen. Times aren't always going to be smooth sailing. A family that is strong in love can make it through the worst of times. In order for a family to work well together, each member needs to give of themselves to one another, without thinking about getting anything in return. This is giving from your heart. If each member were to do this, everyone's needs would be met and there would be no selfishness in your family, only true love for one another. Sometimes in a family, there can be a fight where it is so bad, that one separates themselves from a member of the family or the entire family for a long period of time. It's a shame when something like this happens. It can hurt a family really bad. There's bitterness and pain that winds up leaving a void in one's heart because they seem to have lost that bond they once had. No matter what happened or how terrible it may have been to cause such a separation, families need to be reunited. Forgiveness can mend more than one heart. Pride is not worth losing family over. There's nothing like having dinner together as a family. There's just something that makes the end of the day more pleasant. Take for instance if you had a bad day or you have a problem that you would like to discuss. Here at the table, you have loved ones that are willing to listen and help you get over your bad day. Nothing like quality time with your family. You have to eat, right? Eat together and spend that time keeping the bond tight and the love flowing. Family time together, whether it would be watching a movie or going to a movie, or a day in the park, or maybe a camping trip, here's a hint. You could even camp out in your backyard, it's what you do with the time you have together. There's many things a family could do together. Sometimes there's always that one member who doesn't want to go. If you are that one member, forget about yourself and think of your family. Remember that you are not always going to be living together. The time is going to come when either you are going to be moving out or if you're the parent your kids are going to be leaving. Don't miss out on the time you could be sharing with one another. Quality time together is important. Many households have both parents working. The kids come home from school to an empty house. These days even if everyone is home, you can still be separated. There are so many electronic gadgets to keep everyone busy by themselves. Let's see what we have. Cell phones, gaming computers, laptops, iPods, MP3 players, video games, 200 plus channels on TV, etc., etc. All the things on the web that will keep you busy like blogging, chat rooms, MySpace, and so on. There are so many things one can do to entertain themselves without the family. Most of these things can be addictive. People can become strangers in their own family. It only takes one family member to get the ball rolling. So if your family is not as tight as it should be, you could be the one to change it. There's nothing worse than sitting down one day and looking back at the time one missed with their family. You can't go back and change things. Regret is very painful and it will last you the rest of your life. May God bless you.